Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up the second one of these Topps Clearly Authentic 2020. I don't know if you call them hobby boxes, but there's one Clearly Authentic card in there that's a one-card auto, slabbed. So let's see what we get. These are fun, but they go very quickly because there's just one card. So I'll go ahead and get my little dummy here to cover the front. Okay, empty box. See, it looks like something green. Looks like a St. Louis Cardinals or Detroit Tigers. Oh, it is Tigers. Jake Rogers. Green, 14 out of 99. Rookie auto. Like a throwback uniform there or something. Okay. I'm not sure if I have a Jake Rogers autograph, so I guess that's alright. Not really who I was looking for, but cool. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.